You put your Ghost into service mode, foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, pop your code in to prove it's you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Receive your double flash. Now we'll pull the front passenger window 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll wait for 5 flashes. And now this will be a normal vehicle. So when it goes back to Land Rover, as long as it doesn't exceed 30 miles an hour for more than 15 minutes, it's going to start up, go into gear and drive around their workshop. They'll be able to road test it. As long as it doesn't exceed 30 miles an hour for more than 15 minutes, it's going to be a normal vehicle. If it does, the system's going to activate itself. If it doesn't, to turn it back on, you turn the ignition on, pop your code in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Receive a double flash. And now the system is activated. Just to double check, we'll turn the car off, give it 10 seconds to set, and then we'll fire the car up and try and select a gear without putting in our code. As you see, the car's just not starting. Pop it into gear, it cuts out.